Today, we will compare the Trijet airliners, Boeing 727 and Tupolev 2154. Trijet is a type of aircraft with three engines. Both Trijets had pros and cons. Most people think that 2154 is long-range parody airliner of Boeing 727 because of similarities like loudness, and Tupolev plane was made only 6 years later in 1969. Boeing 727 was a regional jet, but 2154 was used as a long flight airliner. 2154 was bigger than B727. Talking about the size, Boeing 727 could hold up to 157 passengers, but Tupolev 2154 could hold up to 180 passengers. Subscribe!